Santosh Trophy. This is the 76th edition, and these are the two teams who have walked all the way from India, who will battle out to one another. It's Meghalaya against Karnataka. The King Fahad International Stadium, Riyadh. There's the people behind it, the All Indian Football Federation, making this possible. Mr. Kalyan Chaubey, the AIFF President, along with Dr. Shaji Prabhakaran, the AIFF Secretary General, the captains introducing them to the players of their respective teams. A big moment for them. Have gifted us with wonderful football. We'll have a look at the lineups. Meghalaya's lineup almost the same. Rajat Lingto on goal. Maulong Alan Nongri. The lineup of Karnataka. Satyajit Bartolai on goal. Robin Yadav with a free kick goal in the last match. He maintains his spot in the lineup to reach this stage. And the work is done for Indian national team as well. The two captains there ready. Full moon Mukim. Good number of fans have turned in Saudi Arabia. But also what awaits over the line for both these teams. Meghalaya eye their first ever Santosh Trophy title, while Karnataka aim to re-find glory for the first time all around the world in football. Inside the box, just a flick. Karnataka will look for the shot, and they do, and the deflection in the second minute of the game. And Karnataka have taken the lead. Well, they are celebrating. It's Sunil Kumar who is celebrating, and that's a blow for Meghalaya. And that is a big blow in the final game. The Meghalaya defense could settle down from the long throw. Unfortunate there, but nonetheless, this shot has to be praised. A deflection on the way. Well, Sunil Kumar's shot, that's disappointing for Meghalaya. They would have hoped a bit of luck going in their favor, but it's Karnataka's luck. A bit chaotic there. Intelligent passer to the path of the left winger. And solid defending there. Had to slide in and had to get it to perfection. He was the last defender there. Sheen, a one-on-one with Robin. Drives inside the box and goes down. Is that a penalty? Well, the ref has pointed to the spot. And look at that again. A good work to beat Robin Yadav first and then to the left. Nowhere near the ball. It was a Nikhil. A great work by Sheen. Single-handedly wins the penalty. That's a clean penalty. Nailed on. No question marks. And Sheen shocked him with the goal from the penalty spot. Burlington goes to the left. And they're back in this. It's 1-1. The equalizer from Meghalaya. They know the job is not yet done. It's just an equalizer. But they'll celebrate. The keeper goes one side, he goes the other. That's a perfect penalty kick. Top corner. And it's 1-1 here. And Burlington knew his job, and that is why he had been given the responsibility. And if you think penalties in these kind of situations, he'll deliver to the danger zone. Headed out for the time being. Karnataka will have another attempt. Jacob John with the left has three players waiting, and that might be another one. Yes, indeed, unless the flag has gone up. Well, they are celebrating. It's the second time they've found back lead. Lapses yet again. Well, Pirkat Simle isn't happy. And that delivery, well, doesn't seem to be an offside in that, but the next pass, Jacob John perfectly finds the free man at the far post. It seems to be Beke Oram. Well, time and again, he has very often been showing what he's made of. Trying to play the 1-2, the wall pass. It's still a chance, but that'll be a foul. He's found the target though. There's the replay again. Just trying a bit too much there. Well, had he not fouled, it could have been a wonderful finish. Pressure from Meghalaya now. They've stolen it back. It's Carlos. Couldn't find the passer. Let Carlos find that pass through. Look at that. Carlos steals it and trying to play it towards Donald. Whatever it takes, Manoj Swamikannan was ready to give, but not let that ball through. It seems to be him, Robin Yadav, with the free kick, and what a phenomenal goal that is! That is exquisite, and that is wonderful from Robin Yadav. Look at that, we'll have a look again. They are celebrating a 3-1 lead, and there comes out the CR7's latest celebrations. And look at that, accuracy on point, history writing on progress. It's Karnataka who have the third goal, and Robin Yadav with a mesmerizing strike. What about that from Robin Yadav? Well, that's the kind of quality this team has from Karnataka. And it's half time here in the final of the Hero Santosh Trophy. And at the break, it'll be Karnataka who lead by a 3-1 margin. Meghalaya kickstart proceedings, and they'll be attacking from left to right of your screens in white in the second half. That's better from them. And again a missed pass, but this time it's a foul and a yellow card as well, because it's a yellow card for someone else. It's for the previous challenge. The risk is marginally less. This is why a free kick was given though. And this is the yellow card incident. Going with both foot, and the way he finished the tackle was more of why. Alan Lingdo, a touch from the keeper. Wasn't a bad free kick. Well, could have probably hit the bar, I believe. The better of the defender. And that's a good cross in. Now Sheen, and he has found the target, which he never fails to. Brilliant from Sheen, look at that. Amanda Cooper, brilliant work to get the better of the defender. Everyone missing it, and Sheen, what a finish that. Well, add that to one of the sweetest delicacies of Meghalaya. That's how sweet that finish is. From Sheen Shaktum. Preciseness, curling in, and no chance whatsoever for Satyajit Bhattaloy to stop it. Ronald has space in front of him to shoot. Quickly close down. Play on, says the ref. And that is why he had to slide in, and that's painful, I'm sure, for Manoj. And there's the shot, another angle to it. Driving safe there. Jensen Lindo, almost a dream moment for these lads. And there's the chance again. This was Ronald. The first touch was exquisite, and then a deflection off the top of the crossbar. The deflection just took it away from target. Otherwise, it could have to deliver from the set piece. Is there an equalizer? That's a good one, and couldn't get a touch to that. With all his life, needed a touch there from someone. I believe it was Ronald. Yes, indeed. And he's just coming to life very late. Well, it is full time, and it's glory for Karnataka after all the hard work since a long, long while. Otherwise, there has been 2 goals.